Hey everybody, welcome back to Life with Me. I'm back with another video, and y'all, in this video I'm doing a continuation as I walk my way through my eyeshadow palettes. I am trying to do a look with every single one of my eyeshadow palettes because I have quite a few. So I'm going to do a look. So it's either going to be here on my YouTube channel or on my Instagram, so please make sure you follow me there. I already have one on my Instagram where I use the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. But yeah, so today my palette of choice is going to be the Profusion Siennas palette, and here's what it looks like. So this is the one I'll be using today. I already have my base done. I'm gonna put on eyeshadow primer, which is this Kat Von D, and maybe if I can, I'll do my lashes on camera as well. So this will be an eye look. Please remember, this is not a tutorial. I am just going through my eye looks, and I thank y'all for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. I thank you for subscribing, and if you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. We like to have fun over here, and we'd love to have you in our family. Thank you guys. I love you all. And here comes the look. So now I have my eyeshadow primer on. I'm going to go on in with my eyeshadow palette. So the first color I am going to begin with is the color. Let's go ahead and with the color Dynasty. I'm going to go in with the color Dynasty in the transition area. So I'm trying to pick up the color. It is getting on the brush, and I'm not seeing a whole lot of fallout. Remember, these are like $10 palettes, like at the drugstore, at Walmart, and also they have a website where they sell it at. So not a lot of fallout, and it does seem a little pigmented on the brush. So let's see how it performs. Okay, now that I have that color on there, I'm going to use the same brush. I'm just going to wipe it off like I see Andrew Renee does. I'm just going to wipe that off and go into my next color. And my next color, I'm going to use Cryptic, which is this color right here, Cryptic. Same thing as a nice smooth matte, smooth to the touch, picks up very nicely on the brush. Once again, hardly any, if any, fallout. Which I don't mind fallout, but when I don't see it, I really like that. I think that's a good thing. Okay, I'm going into my transition area, back and forth with this color. Yes, this is very pretty. There's that color. Oh, that is pretty. I really like that. That is pretty. I really like that. Okay, the next color, I'm gonna maybe see if I can deepen it up. I'm just guessing here, y'all. See if I can deepen it up right in here with a deeper color. So I'm gonna get a different brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush and go in with Grwm. Okay, there's another matte, same performance, and I'm just gonna go in the outer V and pull it into the center. Right here. Because in my mind, I'm deepening my crease, okay? That is my intention. Outer V, and bring it in just a little. See that? I think that looks good. And yeah, I did have to go in there a couple of extra times because I wanted to be a little deeper. So, but I don't think that's an issue. And there they go. I think that looks good. Now for my lid color, I'm gonna cover my whole lid. I'm not gonna go gold. Y'all know I like to go gold. I'm gonna go with this Dizzy color right here. But I'm gonna use a brush and not my finger, because I always use my finger and sometimes I get it in spots that I don't want to get it. So, like, I see people use their brush, right? But they spray it. So, do you spray it before you get the color or after? Let's try before and see what happens. Okay, I'm getting a little fallout from this. It is picking up. Oh, let me do what Jackie Aina does. Y'all know she do that. I don't want too much because I have dry under eyes. Okay, there we go. I'm ready. Oh, with my brush. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see if I can pat this on, because that's what you do with the lid color. You tap, tappity, tap, tap. I do see it, but I feel like maybe I can get a little more if I spray it. I'm just guessing. So let's spray. Okay, then I'm gonna pick some up. Okay, there we go. Here it goes. Tap, tap, tap. I'm spreading, but I'm supposed to be tap, tap, tap. Because when I was spreading, I saw some spaces. I guess that's what they call skipping. Because I see a little area right there that doesn't have any. I like this. I think I like using the brush, because it makes sure I stay where I want it to. I like it. Just gotta remember to tap, 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 not spread, spread, spread. That looks good. Okay, so that's the lids. I like it, I like it, I like it. Okay, now let's go do the lower lash line. And I'm gonna just use this. I'm gonna use Devoted and Devoted right here. This mauve burgundy-ish, light burgundy tone, and Groovy, that brown I use. Okay, y'all, that's my eye look. Now, I am going to go off camera and finish the look, because don't nobody have time to watch me struggle to put on some eyeliner. Okay, y'all, this is my finished look. Once again, I was using the Siennas palette by Profusion. I really like the look that I came up with. This is a very good palette for a very reasonable price, by like $10. It had minimal to no fallout. It is very beginner friendly, and I really like this look. And yes, it is staying in my collection. But y'all, that is this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in another one.